So in the last hour, I worked a lot on the second chorus. I would call that the second instrumental part, which I referred to earlier as the B part. So let's call that chorus for now. So the part where I sings the verse, and the instrumental part would be the chorus. I worked on the second chorus, and there I did something with some automations in order to make it a little bit more, lively, and to change things up a little bit.
Love with you.
I also tried to come up with something different for the second verse, but nothing that I like right now. We see. Guess I'm gonna go through different sounds, and maybe I found something there. Also want to change the rhythm there of the instrument, whatever that will be.
You see it when I'm going to trust me in the pain. I'm so in love with you, so in love with you.